Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. I'm here with my mom.
Hello, it's me again.
How are you?
Oh, I'm fine.
Okay, are you ready for a taste test?
I cannot wait.
All right, I decided since I'm visiting my mom that it would be good to put her in a video and we could try some stuff together. So, what do you think?
I'm ready.
Do you have any idea what we're going to be trying today?
I have no idea what I'm eating.
Okay, first thing we're going to try today. This is True Fruit Nature's Peaches Hyper Dried Fresh in Cream. Does that make sense? Do you know what do you think that would be?
Something sweet.
Okay, and what would it taste like?
Peaches.
And
Cream.
great. Okay, let's try it. Open this up. 150 calories a serving. There's 4 servings in here, but we're not going to eat the whole bag. So they look a little, what would you say this looks like? It's a little circle?
It looks like a ball.
It's a little ball. Let's try one.
Oh my
I'm
God.
going to try one. Let's see. Let's take a bite.
Can I
Go.
eat the whole thing?
Yeah, just put the whole thing in your mouth.
Oh my God.
That's amazing.
It's so good.
Wow. Wait, what does it taste like?
The best peach candy.
Wait, so like the peaches inside are like
Crunchy.
crunchy and the outside is
Smooth.
like white chocolate.
Yes.
Amazing.
I want that whole
That's
bag.
brilliant. Well, you know, you can probably get a nice size serving for 150 calories, and even if you have just like
my
one,
God.
that's good.
Oh my, that is good.
Would you eat these? Want me to get them for you?
Right now.
Thumbs up.
It's so good.
All right, check them out. Say goodbye to the people.
Goodbye. Thanks for watching me.
Bye.